If you've lost access to your Binance account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Binance website. Go to the official Binance website. Ensure you're on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Look for the login button at the top right corner. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password recovery page where you can start the recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Binance account. After entering your email, click on the Submit button to receive further instructions via email. Step 4. Check your email for recovery instructions. Look for an email from Binance containing recovery instructions. If you do not see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Follow the instructions provided in the email carefully. Step 5. Contact Binance support. If you are unable to recover your account through the email instructions, visit the Binance support page. Submit a ticket explaining your situation and provide any necessary information to verify your identity. By following these steps, you should be able to recover access to your Binance account. If you encounter any issues, reaching out to customer support is always a good option.